I deserve to look and feel great. Getting daily exercise is the key to losing weight. My body is strong and resilient. I love the way I look. All of the cells in my body are in perfect working order. I change any old habits and create new, positive habits. I easily resist the urges to overeat. Every choice I make pushes me towards my ideal weight. I see my body becoming slimmer every day. Every morning, I look in the mirror and I say to myself, "You are fit. You are strong. You are healthy." Say to yourself now, "I am fit. I am strong. I am healthy. I can feel my desire to eat unhealthy vanishing. I truly enjoy exercising every day. Moving my body makes me feel good. I am able to stretch and exercise anytime I need to. I am proud of every little accomplishment on my weight loss journey. Being fit and healthy makes me feel good too. I am so proud of all the healthy choices I make. I eat my food in a mindful way, chewing slowly and enjoying every healthy bite.